In order to boost speed on Xiaomi 15 Ultra, we can go to the security app. There we go. Now over here you should be able to find boost speed option. So we can go over here. And then let's wait for the phone to provide us the suggestions that what we can do in order to speed up our phone. So of course we have third-party apps running in the background, which we can turn off. So we can also check or uncheck apps that we want to clear, so you don't have to agree to everything. And then we also have running system apps, which can also be disabled for now. And then we can press boost speed in order to speed up the device. Of course, you can also perform the cleanup, but that is mostly for the storage space. And in addition to that, there's one more thing that we can do that I think has the most impact on the performance of the phone. More precisely, if you go to settings and choose battery, then you should be able to find the performance mode in the battery settings, which allows you to improve, of course, the performance of the phone, but the battery will be used, or the power consumption will be increased. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!